So I've just walked down to Santa Monica Beach before going to work. This is huge. The beach just runs the whole coast. It goes from here down to Malibu Beach, Segunda Beach. There's loads. Look at the size of this. You can see the pier in the background there. I'll maybe try and get down there on Thursday night with a big Ferris wheel and roller coaster and everything. It looks like there's bars and restaurants and cafes and things the whole way up the coastline. So yeah, lovely. Huge. It's absolutely massive. Much bigger than I expected it to be honest. You can see there's another pier over there and then the main pier in the background with everything that's on it. But yeah, lovely and really easy to get to. So guys, just want to come on and show you, I've just checked into the Fairfield by Marriott Anaheim resort and I've so lucked out with the room. I'll do a full room tour now. I'm going to show you. I'll get the rest of the facilities from outside, the swimming pool and everything outside in a wee minute, but I'll just do a quick room tour before I turn around so I can see it. So check this out. I'd researched online and knew there were some partially themed rooms, Disney theme. I didn't expect to get one, certainly didn't pay for one. 2 queen beds and there's a small pull out so you can get 5 people in here, I guess. A family of 5 would fit nicely. Loads of pillows, loads of lights, chest of drawers in between. There's plugs, sockets, not USBs. In the lamp base, headboard, that back wall's lovely. AC. Doesn't look like there's anything on my side. No, there's no plugs that side, but they're all in the middle. Have this, I'll just come back again. On the right hand side, there's not a connecting room. Quite a big TV, I'd say that's a 50 inch or 48 maybe. Loads of drawer space here. A little desk for working. And then you're into the bathroom area and the sliding door here pulls across to separate that if you wanted it. But you have the mirror, single sink, shelves, towels with drawers, etc. Here's a mini bar, drawer space, Keurig coffee maker, all the bits and pieces you need to do that. Water there at $4 a pop. Spare bedding. I've already unpacked some of my stuff here, so hanging space here. And then into the bathroom. So the bathroom, pretty standard for Florida hotels. Have all your body wash, hair wash and conditioner and everything there, which is great. I like the wall. I don't know if you can see that, it's quite rippled. Looks like that's been refreshed at some stage. Shower up there. So yeah, really pleased with this. I'd be more than happy staying in here. This would be perfect for us as a family of 5. I'm just going to take you outside to show you. So just outside my room, you have the big Mickey Mouse face. Down there you have the swimming pool, it's open until 10 o'clock. There's a hot tub down there as well. And I'm not sure you can see that in the background, there, just behind the palm trees. That's the big Ferris wheel at California Adventure. So the parks are literally over there, so I'll put money on me being able to see fireworks from here later. Which is fantastic. So I'm going to get ready and pop out for some dinner. But yeah, really pleased with the hotel. Location is great. There's a lot down this road. There's loads of nice looking ones. That's the Camelot just opposite here, over here. It also looks good. And there's one to the right hand side of me, which seems to have a big massive water slide and everything. So I think it's the Marriott. Yeah, really nice though. So you see on all the floors, just here in the middle by the escalators, you have vending machines, ice machines, rubbish, which is a really nice touch. Pepsi, ice machine, vending machine, and rubbish cans on the end of every floor. Time of elevator is a busy hotel, but what I liked, even the foyer is a big crowd. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 escalators. Well, not escalators, elevators, right? I'm very tired, jet lag. Just coming down the elevator, reception area. Little seating area over here with the TV and one thing another. This is the little market they have. So So standard stuff for some of these hotels. Pringles, snacks, iced coffees, water, alcohol, wine, beer, freezer with ice creams, Oreos, breakfast stuff, concierge, tickets, bathrooms, connect and trench between boarding passes and one thing or another. A little gift shop.
Hello,
Hi there, how are you?
How you doing?
What time is the shop open till, please? 11, thank you. They serve their shops open till 11. Just when you come in, complimentary water, ice water. Loads of Disney related things here. You can see. This is a Disney Good Neighbor Hotel. Just gonna bring you out. So just come out of the reception area, turn right, head down onto Harbour Avenue, which is the main drive that you access Disney from. As you see in here, you can see you have the hot tub. Use your room key to get in. Although the pool's quite small, it looks nice. There's plenty of people in there. Quite a few pool chairs, one thing or another. I would say, for the size of the hotel and the number of rooms there are, the pool's not massive. If there was a day where people weren't all at Disney, there's no way you're getting everyone around there, but I suppose that's never going to happen, to be fair. It's going to be most people at the parks pay so much money to go to the parks. They're going to be going to the parks for all day, and maybe go jump in there for a dip late at night. So I'll see what time it is when I get back from dinner. I might still go for a little dip. I will certainly before I leave the hotel. So I'm here for 3 days. It's Monday night, Tuesday night, Wednesday night. I leave on Thursday to go back to Santa Monica. And there's a big McDonald's here. There's a Panera Bread, which is a restaurant chain, which is classed as being on site. The McDonald's is just there behind me, so really close. There's another garden city here, a winter garden or something, I can't remember, down this road, just past the Disney Way entrance. And I think that's where I'm going to go for dinner. I think I'll just give Disney a swerve tonight, have some dinner and go back. I'm tired, but we'll be certainly heading there either tomorrow night or Wednesday night. So this is the Camelot Inn and Suites. It's a bit castle themed. A big courtyard right through the middle. Very nice. So literally 2 minutes from there's the Disneyland sign, so that's Harbour Boulevard, East Shuttle area. So I think that's where everyone's usually going to get in and out of the park. And you have all these restaurants here, Cold Stone Creamery, Anaheim Desert Hotel, Del Sol Inn, there's a Denny's down here. This is all literally 2 minutes from the hotel. So everything's very, very central here. So I'm just coming down to Disney Way. And Disney Way. Look over there, I think that's the old Tower of Terror. That's the new Guardians of the Galaxy ride. It's not going at the minute because it's after 8 o'clock and I think that park's closed, but yeah, I'm pretty sure that's it. So literally a further 2 minutes around the corner, just walk down Disney Way away from the park, ironically. This is Anaheim Garden Walk. So there's AMC, which is bowling lanes, I think. There's dining, bowling, shopping, nightlife. So there's loads of restaurants and things in there. I'm not sure about it now. I believe there's a Cheesecake Factory in there, which I will be going into. So just crossed over towards Garden Walk. I didn't see them from across the road, but they have all these like dinosaur statues. They're made out of metal, are they? It's cool though. It's like the type of thing you see outside a Rainforest Cafe or a T-Rex Cafe more exactly, but I don't think there is one of these here. Very bright, colourful. Someone's out walking the cat. Standard. Oh, there's a House of Blues here. The only other place I've seen House of Blues is Disney Springs. No way, there's the Bubba Gums. Carnival, AMC, Billy D's.
Pay $10 for $40.
Fire and Ice, Grill and Bar. I'm not sure it's upstairs, that's probably where I want to go and I don't even realise it, you know. Michoacana, it's like an ice cream or frozen yogurt store. Oh, looks like there's actually a hotel up there in the background. This is JW Marriott. Time machine. From big.
The great souls are here with a word of wisdom. Check out Kip Berry's Cabaret, California's #1 show.
So, this is McCormick and Schmick's grill. This is seafood steaks and also this is recommended by the concierge at the hotel.
We used to go on that. Oh no, I don't actually.
There's a huge queue here. PF Chang's. Wow. This is super popular. Chinese. I think it's all the parks have kicked out.
Am I the vlog? Am I in the video?
No,
let me in. 2 seconds. See you, man.
Okay, cool. So we've come around the other side of the Garden Walk and there's a big California restaurant. I still haven't found the Cheesecake Factory. There it is, absolutely. Good. I'm going to see how long the wait is. So I came to Cheesecake. There was a huge queue outside, massive queue inside. I walked straight up to the maitre d' and said, what can you do for a table of one? She said, for half an hour, or you can just go and check the high top, so one comes free, you can do it, and there was two sitting free at the bar, so I walked straight up. I've been here 3 minutes, I've ordered my food already, and have a nice refreshing Coke Zero. So yeah, really glad I got in. I've ordered my truffle honey chicken, which I always do, really predictable when I come here, but it's absolutely gorgeous. And yes, I'm sure it'll be as good as ever. I don't think there'll be room for cheesecake though, but it'll be as good as ever. So as always, Cheesecake Factory was awesome. Food, service, ambiance, absolutely class. Never fails. We always go there when we're in Florida, and it was great to have the opportunity to go there in California too. So Blaze Pizza over there is the first one I've seen outside Disney Springs. Coming back into the hotel at night time. See, it's quite big. There's two big buildings, and over there is the courtyard by Marriott. I'll get more footage tomorrow, but I don't know if you can see it, but just over there behind the big spotlight is a big frame with like 2 or 3 big water slides. Seen people up there at the very top going down into the pool, so it must be water slides. It looks really cool actually. And it's right next door to the Spring Hill, or not Spring Hill, the Fairfield. So that's the end of a busy day one in California. If you like the video, please hit that like button. Please subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video ever again.
Thanks for watching! Don't forget to hit that like button and please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. See you in the next video!